Welcome to one of the newest models in the Jasper community. I am standing here in a community that has a very unique feature. And for this home, the question is going to be, do you want to cook or do you like cars? And I'll explain why as we go through the home tour. The other thing that is also very unique and very specific to this community in Jasper is that joining the J Club is optional. You are not required to join here in this particular area of Jasper. The rest of Jasper, yes, J Club, part of it. Consider it like an extension of your HOA. But for this community, you get to decide. So let's go inside and take a look. Our next model. This is Eco Homes. Now this model is 1,779 square foot as it's shown. However, the base is 1,564 square foot. How is that? Well, they converted what could be a third car tent garage into an expanded living space. All right. Let's skip the laundry room and let's head to the back first. While this kitchen is huge, here is where it shows you, wow, they expanded the kitchen. So we're looking at this space right here, which would be that third bay of the garage. So normally you'd have your laundry room and your kitchen and all of this for your third bay. But instead, wow, I think I like the kitchen because this is a great size kitchen. Okay, so it's 1,779 square foot, this model. 4 or 5 plus bar stools. And then have those on an angle, so you can definitely fit more. I love this separate area for a bar or a coffee station. Generous walk-in pantry. Shelving goes all the way back there. On a nice open concept living. There's your fireplace. Gas fireplace. They have it modeled with the TV above. You could put shelves on both sides, but this one's more open because of the window. Your living space and your dining space. So that's really cool. And I almost think that if you had your heart set on like a fireplace in the dining room or a living room that goes out to the patio, or you changed your mind over time, you could swap it, believe it or not. Here is the primary suite. They've really done a nice job, as usual with these models, with just putting a little bit of finishes, like adding this wood paneling. Gives the room a lot of character. Let's come down. We have our closet first. It's a nice size closet. There's our shower, our bathroom. Double vanity, lots of space in between, probably 4 foot or more in between. Nope. Roof shower. A handheld. And a toilet. And I'll tell you, this dimension is pretty decent. You could put something else there under the towel bars, maybe a narrow shelf or vanity. Something like that would fit well. Here you have a linen closet. So you come out in the morning and this is kind of walking in. Yeah, the kitchen is a good more than a third of the living space between the kitchen, living, and dining, and they're all kind of almost equal sized. The proper way. There are those spring winds kicking in here. Hoping this will be done soon, but it is typically windier here, especially in this area of Prescott Valley. You do get some winds. Not like this. This is crazy. All right, coming back in. And they still have the balloons here from the grand opening this weekend. And this model has only been done for a few days. A really nice big office space. And this could be configured as a bedroom if you wanted that. And here's your other bedroom. So this, the way they have it laid out, is 2 bedrooms plus an office. You could have it as a 3-bedroom. You could have a 3-car garage. Lots of opportunities. You have another linen closet here. So you have both one by the primary suite and one by your guest bedroom. You also have a nice coat closet and a good sized laundry room. And you have your your front load washer and dryer, which are both large. You have all of this counter space, the sink, and then a bunch more counter space, and all of the storage. That is a ton of storage space between the uppers and lowers. And here you have a 2-car garage. And your water heater goes right there. It's got a little nook for it. And then there's a door to go out to the side yard. Let's say a pretty standard size 2-car garage. Or optional, so with cartan and all the water heater, that would actually be a whole additional bay to the garage if you chose that option instead of this expanded kitchen. So if this home is something that you're interested in, or you're just interested in learning more about the Jasper community or new construction here in Prescott Valley, please reach out to me. My contact information is in the link below. I'd be happy to help you out and find the home that's perfect for you. Thank you so much for watching. I am Odessa Kyleman, and this is the Prescott Homeowner. Cheers.